The Rejuvacare FootRenew Massager is marketed as a non-invasive solution for neuropathy and foot pain, using what it calls triple method technology, a combination of heat, vibration, and compression. It claims to improve circulation, reduce nerve pain, and deliver therapeutic results in just 15 minutes a day. The device is USB rechargeable and lightweight, with promotional materials showing users walking or working while wearing it. However, real-world reviews suggest a disconnect between the marketing and actual performance. Users report that the massage effect is weak, the heat barely reaches therapeutic levels, and the compression is minimal. The build quality feels plasticky and the device struggles to stay in place during use. There's no FDA clearance or clinical data backing its claims, and identical massagers are found on generic dropshipping sites for a fraction of the price. Complaints include vague instructions, poor customer support, and unclear refund policies. While some users say it offers mild relief, most agree it's not suitable for serious neuropathy or chronic pain. Rejuvacare's FootRenew Massager is more hype than help. It is not a scam outright, but its therapeutic claims aren't backed by science and its performance doesn't justify the price. This is a drop-shipped item. I suggest that you do not buy it.